Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Benjamin, and it is time for the fourth best time of the year behind Christmas, Kwanzaa, and St. Patrick's Day. It is hat cleaning day. And by the disgusting array of hats I have in front of you, these have been sitting on the wall of my bedroom for the last 4 years, collecting all sorts of nastiness. I am gonna clean these hats for you, one at a time, to show off how great the Hat Club cleaning products actually are. So, first up, I got my cleaner deodorizer right here, my Hat Club Brillo brush, there you are, and the Hat Club Premium brush, and we're gonna polish it off finally with the Hat Club Water and Stain Repellent. So, which one do we wanna go with? You know what, we're an Arizona-based company. The Arizona Diamondbacks won the 2001 World Series, so let's roll with this one. So first step is gonna be use the Horsehair Premium brush to attack the visor. And the great thing about this as far as going through the dusting process is the horsehairs will get into all the little nooks and crannies to really get all this gunk and grime. You might need a little bit of elbow grease, but you know, hey, some are easier than others. And you know what? Already starting to look better already. So make sure you get the under visor on the inside as well. And next we go to our cleaner deodorizer. Your option if you want to use a hot bowl of water as well to use with the Hat Club brush. I am not gonna roll with it, but spray a generous amount all over the panels and all over the upper visor, not to miss any of the front logos or side patches, of course. And then same process that we just went through the Hat Club Premium brush. Really get in there and get those spots. Some people like to use the Premium brush in this process, but because the fact that we've got this Brillo feature on the Hat Club brush, I prefer this one. Gorgeous! And to finish everything off, our Hat Club Water and Stain Repellent, because Lord knows, going through the next few wears with this one, I should probably prepare myself a little bit better for any kind of gunk and grime that could build up. So there we are, a little pat down because I used a little bit too much repellent there, but it's okay. It's gonna absorb itself into the hat. And then anytime it rains or anytime spills on it, we are looking very nifty. So let us know in the comments, is this the same process you guys use when cleaning your hats, or do you guys take a completely different route? So let us know today.